Hey guys, there is a new update in Jailbreak, and let's check this out. So there's a new money, you get more money, there's a new train, a computer, and fire. So there's like a new train, so that looks kind of cool. We're gonna be a police officer, and yeah. Where'd that one guy go? Where are you going, buddy? He's gonna kill me, he's gonna kill me. I don't wanna die. I really don't want to die. Get him! Got him! He's dead. He's not dead, but he got arrested. You do it, you're gonna get tased. That's it. Now you're actually gonna get tased. I'm gonna kill you. Anyone else? No one? Okay then, I guess I didn't want any. So let's go check out the new train. I wonder where the new train can be. Um, Briefcase over there. Not where I wanted it to go. Wait, what is this place? Server control. Okay. So spawn 10 airdrops. Spawn the train. Battle VIP. Battle Royale VIP game. Okay, that's for VIP. 10 airdrops. 50 Robux. 25 Robux to spawn a train. Wow. Wow, that's kind of cool. Speak of trains right now, I hear it. Where's the train? Cheers, buddy. Right, so, yeah. Um, let's get more good weapons. Pretty much what I need. Flashlight, get that. Get that. Shield. Gloves. Yeah, we're suited up. This looks real cool. We are suited up. Get a chopper. Right now someone's here at the museum. I don't know if he's gonna come away or not. We're going to arrest him. Oh no, that's my friend. Hi there. Hey buddy. I want to help you. There you go. No! You're not gonna kill me. No! Not going to kill me. Jewelry store's getting robbed? No, but there's a gun right here. That's it, buddy. Where do you think you're going? Just stay. Right here. Okay, well, he did. He died. Yeah. Wait, what time does this new train come? I don't know. Wait a minute. I hear a train. Except I thought I heard a train. Did I hear a train? I don't think so. Boy, man. Okay. What's that noise? Is that the new train? Oh, that looks so cool. Wow. The new train looks so cool. Oh, I wonder why I can't get in there. Wow. New train. Oh, you get money for collecting this. Oh, that's cool. What's over here? More stuff than that. Get in here. Oh, briefcase. Cool. A laptop. Another laptop. And I'm getting all the money. Oh, there's another phone. Right there. Okay. It's open. For what more briefcases? Wow. Really cool. Get all the money. Okay, now what's next? Is that it? It was. Yeah, that was it. Wow, so cool. All that money that I just got. Like, look at that. Bye bye, train. It's a new one, too. Looks cool. Oh, that bike was messing me up. Okay. Wow. My dad is out of the business. The new train looks so much better than the old one. So much better. And it has a lot more stuff that you can log instead of just one. Oh yeah. A lot cooler. A lot more better. Wow. New train was so awesome. Looks so cool. It comes through here through this tunnel. And then it's gone after that. Like it goes away after that. So yeah. That looks so cool. So cool. Yeah, we could go there. No, that's no, there ain't gonna be enough time. So yeah. There ain't gonna be enough time if we go over there. That was kind of fun, Robin, getting the new train stuff. So yeah, that was pretty fun. Okay, guys, hope you enjoyed this episode. Goodbye.